Why do people with same income have different spendings? Economic theory has limits, but econometric model can help us explain this. At first, we have an economic theory or hypothesis we want to test. For instance, we can take the consumption function, which implies that the consumption is a function of income and can be written as C is equal to A plus BY, where C is total consumption, A is autonomous consumption, B is marginal propensity to consume, and Y is income. Next, we convert this equation into a mathematical model which can be represented as y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 into x. Here, y represents consumption, beta 0 represents autonomous consumption, beta 1 represents MPC, and x represents income. However, in real life, the consumption is influenced by many other factors such as preferences, expectations, wealth, habits, and much more, which do not form part of this equation. To capture the effect of these unobserved factors, we can introduce an error term denoted by U. By including the error term, the mathematical model becomes an econometric model. Then our model will look like y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 into x plus error term. Y is a dependent variable which depends on independent variable x. Beta 0 is our intercept and beta 1 is our slope which reflects how much y changes with a unit change in x. Ui is the error term and I represents the observation indicator. We will study about the error term in detail in the next video, so follow for more.